Hello everyone! In this video, we would like to share with you how to print this new sublimation baby bibs. Okay, before doing the printing demo, I would like to introduce you more details about this new sublimation baby bibs. Firstly, we have two colors, blue and pink. And the material we're using is for the front printing panels, we use very nice 100% polyester fabric. If you ever bought a sublimation mask from us, then you will be really familiar with this material because it's the same material. Nice, smooth, and printing quality is really vibrant. Okay, and the back, we're using very soft 100% cotton and water absorbable material. You can see it's like towel material, and it's 100% cotton, and it's the kinds of baby use cotton. Okay, so the shape is like this. Okay, now hope you understand better about these baby bibs. And next, let's go to do the printing demo. What you need to prepare to do this printing is the printed paper, sublimation blanks, Teflon sheet, and heat protective glove, and heat resistant paper, heat resistant tape, and more importantly, heat press. And for print these baby bibs, you need to have 16 by 20 inches heat press because it's big. Okay, let's move into the printing demo. Today we're going to use our star heat presses, which is Galaxy GS105HS. It has slided out and also have our ram spin and ram lock pattern system. Okay, so before going to do the printing, I would like to share with you more about the templates. Again, the templates is ready, that we have templates to share. If you need it, please contact our sales and they will forward it to you. So you can see this is the templates we made, but this is the blanks we have. You may wonder why we do not make the templates exact the same shape as the baby as the blanks. Okay, let me explain to you more. Because this is a textile product, sometimes it will have a little bit size tolerance. And for printing the fabric, always we need to make the design a little bit larger than the blanks. So from times of testing, and we noticed that to make the templates in this way will be most easiest for designers and also for users to print. Okay, you can see, and this part is the main part for you to do the printing. And so our templates will have guidelines, which part is the main part for you to do the personalized design. And this part is most likely is for the straps. That is kinds of decoration for your design. Okay, so that's the reason why we made the templates and printed paper like this. Hope you understand better and it helpful. Okay, now let's do the printing demo. And this is a slide out heat presses. The size is 16 by 20 inches. It needs to have this kinds of this size of heat press. Okay, first step is to locate the blanks into the printed paper. So you need to make sure that most important thing when you located any textile products for sublimation is that first you need to make sure that the blanks is in the center of the printed paper. And second, you need to always to make sure the edge is be covered by the printing. Okay, you can see here is a little bit outer, but doesn't matter because we do not need to print at here. You see the pink edges is a little bit outer at the printed paper, but it doesn't matter. The most important thing you need to make sure is that the white printing part is be covered by the printed paper. That will be good enough to go. Okay, and now we use some heat tape to tape it, which is also important. So heat tape is a kind of must for doing lots of sublimation blanks. Okay, and to print these, I will need more tapes to make sure it be covered well. Okay, like this, I think we're ready to go. And print is always like, maybe I need one more here because this is a very important part to make sure it will not move. maybe one more here. So the tips when you tape it for any blanks is make sure that the places which is important to keep as a position as it is, you have to use the tape like this part, right? Okay, and now we're ready to do the printing. And because we do make the Teflon sheet here, although we have a Teflon cover, but better is to do it in this way. You see, the pieces which is out of the printing is just in pink. No any white border is out of the printing. So that means that you are ready to go with printing. Okay, and the printing temperature we need is 195 degrees Celsius, which is about, this is manual type, which is about 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and time we need will be 45 seconds. And today we're using manual mode, but you are also free to use auto mode for this heat press machine. Okay, and let's wait for about a few more seconds. Now time is it up, and we need to leave it manually, and it needs medium pressure. You can see here she shows 6, that means medium pressure. Lift it up, and heat protective glove, which is very important, and slide it out, and we are ready to remove it. And check the printing quality. You can see it looks nice, right? And use your hand to tape. So the reason why I do not want to use heat tape is like this, because you have to always tear it off. Yeah, see, it prints evenly, nicely, and the color is really vibrant. And the pattern, you can see we have a pattern ready. Again, if you need it, please contact our sales. And we have guidelines here. This is the main part for you to do the printing. Another thing you can see here, we have a little bit printed color on the labels. So if you do not want to make this happen, the important tips is when you put it in, make sure that the tape, this label is underneath of the prints. Or maybe you can use a heat tape to tape it. That for sure it will not be printed with any color. Yeah, okay. And that's all for today. And thank you for watching. Hope today's video will give you a little bit help to do these types of nice sublimation baby bibs. Again, if you have any suggestion or any ideas, please do not hesitate to share with us. We are always happy to listening. Thank you for watching.